Andrea, this is the first time for you on the Colline UNESCO Conegliano Valdobbiadene.
This is my first time on the Colline UNESCO Conegliano Valdobbiadene because I know they were here and I have been to part of the Valdobbiadene, but it was not UNESCO designated and I did not see the rive, which are magic.
Impression?
I'm so relieved and happy that they were designated UNESCO because they do need to be protected as part of the heritage of the place, but as just a part of the heritage of humanity.
Why the company chose this beautiful landscape for the project?
We chose this landscape for this World Cup documentary because the point of the documentary is to showcase how wine regions that are truly defined by their place as opposed to just an okay place to grow some grapes and make wine are so important to connecting us to our past and our heritage, but also to each other, because especially a UNESCO designated place will get a lot of attention and it will bring a lot of people to the place to appreciate it. And what do we have as people if we just don't have each other? And the things like great wine and great food and the farms that yield them for us, we have nothing if we don't have that. And that's the glue that connects us all, and that we should all be grateful for. So I'm grateful to be here. Mille grazie.